Hello, everyone, and welcome to NRF 2023. We're excited to be here. Over 13,000 people are attending this conference, and we have retailers coming and looking for the best technology that can make them as efficient as possible and delight customers with the best customer experience. So I'm here today with Wesley Rhodes from Kroger, who I'm going to ask to introduce himself, and with Charles from Lenovo, who also I will ask to introduce himself. And we want to just give you a little teaser about a session that we have this coming Tuesday at NRF about creating the customer-driven store to provide the best customer experience at Kroger, and some of the incredible AI technology that Kroger is using to achieve that. So with that, Wes, why don't you introduce yourself?
I'd be happy to. As you said, I'm Wesley Rhodes. I am the VP of Technology Transformation and of Research and Development. I've been with Kroger for 5 years, and before that, I was with IBM for 18 years. So my background is research and development, it's consulting, it's for how to take new technologies and to apply them to business problems. And so that's what we're doing.
Hello everyone, my name is Charles Ferlin. I'm from Lenovo. I'm the general manager of our edge computing organization. So that's the technology that is deployed outside of the data center in retail stores such as Kroger, for example.
Excellent. Well, one of the first questions I wanted to ask you, Wesley, is you've been partnering with NVIDIA and Lenovo on a lot of your AI initiatives, and maybe you can, and you've got multiple AI initiatives going on, and I think we're going to talk about one of those this Tuesday at NRF. But why don't you let us know how you've decided to partner with NVIDIA in terms of as your strategic partner for AI and the role that Lenovo is playing in some of the deployment and development that you're doing.
Oh, certainly. So in Kroger, we've got to do a lot with a little. As you can imagine, every retailer is very concerned with cash, right? So our margins are small, so we have to do big things with a little bit of money. Our whole process, our whole purpose in life is to create a great customer experience. Our company has defined what that customer experience is. And so to make that the best it possibly can be, we've got to take this new technology. We've got to figure out where it fits to deliver. But not only where it fits, not only how it can deliver, but we need companies that can deliver their technology, their expertise for us. So it takes good partners. We spent a year trying to figure out what a good innovation partner would be. We interviewed quite a few companies, but we needed a cultural fit. And we needed a capability fit. And so that led us to NVIDIA. You've got the kinds of technologies that we needed. You've got the ecosystem of additional partners that we required. One of those partners is Lenovo. We've got their computing expertise. You've got lots of good servers. You've got a lot of good processing to power this massive amount of ingeniousness that we require from our AI, from other ways of computing, such as avatars. We just purchased 2 OVX servers. You'll have to tell us what those OVXs are. But basically, we need specialized compute to do specialized things.
Excellent. Well, for those of you who may not be familiar with NVIDIA, NVIDIA is an accelerated computing company. It basically provides the development software and the GPUs, the graphic processing units, for building the best AI applications and building it in much faster and delivering AI solutions that have the greatest amount of accuracy and are in real time. And that's where Lenovo comes in. A lot of these solutions are actually deployed at the edge. And so I'll let Charles talk a little bit about why edge is so important.
Thank you, Azita. Thank you, Wes. Obviously, one of the greatest innovations that we have seen in computing is the capability to harness the power, the compute capabilities that we find in the cloud or in the data center and put it in a much smaller, much more ruggedized, much quieter form factor that can be deployed in environments like in the retail and the grocery, for example. Before that, we had to deal with underpowered industrialized PC or IoT gateways. Really, the ideas were not missing where we wanted to have AI and take develop a lot of insights at the edge, but we didn't have the computing capability. And that's the biggest innovation that Lenovo contribute into this space. Proud to be a partner with NVIDIA on the OVX, the digital twin and the simulation environment, as well as all our product being NVIDIA certified. So thank you, NVIDIA.
Awesome. Well, without giving too much away, Wesley, why don't you tell our audience what we're kind of a little teaser about what we're going to talk about on Tuesday. And of course, you have a wonderful demo that you're going to be showing as well. So we want to encourage people to come to this. So why don't you give a little teaser on what you're going to be talking about?
So our purpose in R&D is to take advanced technologies and use that to jump over the advantages that our competitors have. That's the purpose. We want to win. So what this video shows is an application of digital twin. It is also going to show its integration with a simulation. Now, the whole purpose is simply to give our customers an advantage. And that's what we're going to show. That's what we're going to talk about. Advanced application, technology, computation, to give Kroger an advantage and our customers a more delightful experience. That's in essence what it all is about. Now, what we're going to talk about is a little bit of the sauce on how you do that, but not too much because we want to keep that secret. But I think what you'll also see is some of the more inspiring parts of that is what is possible, because that in of itself is part of the discussion, but the rest of the discussion is, and then what do you do after that?
Right. So in a nutshell, it's an opportunity for our audience to learn how you leverage AI and simulation to optimize store layouts for the best customer experience. So I encourage you all to come to our session, which is on Tuesday, January 17, 11:30 a.m. And it's going to be in Expo Level 1, Stage 2. So looking forward to seeing you all there and not only having a great session, but also be available to answer any questions that you may have.
Yeah, bring it on. We'll answer the questions.
Thank you all.
Thank you.